Okay, so this video, my friends, is going to show you how to use Socrative. So on your iPad or on a desktop, you're going to type in www.socrative.com. So right up here, www.socrative.com. And all of this information will be in your Schoology under Cycle Assessment Directions. So all of these steps are listed in there in order to help remind you. You're going to go to log in. Now, you're obviously a student, so you're going to click Student Login. And here it says room name. And again, this is going to be in the directions under Schoology. So if you're in my class, Mrs. Slate, and you're in the AM, you're in my morning class, you're going to write Slate AM. If you're in my afternoon class, you're going to write Slate PM. So I'm going to type in Slate AM, and I'm going to join. And there, you're going to have your last name, comma, first name. So for me, I'd put my last name in, comma, my first name. And done. Now, all of my questions are the same exact questions that you're going to find in your test packet. So I can go through, and if I've printed out my test packet, or I picked one up from school, or however you want to do it, and you're going through and you're looking through your test, it should be easy to transfer your answers. So which sentence from the passage best reflects the main idea of the passage? And I'm going to click my answer, and I'm going to submit. And I'm going to continue doing this the whole entire way through. Now, I'm just going to pick different answers for the sake of time so you can see what happens. But you're going to go through, and you're going to go ahead and answer all the questions just like you did on your test. And click through the next button. On the iPad, it might have little arrows. Just be careful. Make sure you're looking at the number that you're on. Now, it'll show you your score. Oh, I didn't do too well with my guessing now, did I? And it shows you the percent. Might not always be that accurate or the same percent that I have, but doesn't matter. You're going to click OK, and that's all you need to do. You can exit out, and that's it. I hope this helps.